I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Today I want to tell you about the Bosch GLL 30 self-leveling cross-line laser. That's not easy to say. Let's dive in. Here's the directions, the unit, 2 batteries, and a mounting bracket. With the mounting bracket, which is included, you can attach it to a ladder or any other stationary object. Simply attach it to the clamp. There is some adjustment. You see that ball in there. You actually loosen it for easier adjustment. And tighten it back up. Pretty neat design. You can attach it to a tripod, unscrew it from the mounting bracket, and attach it to your standard photography tripod. The GLL 30 is self-leveling. When you turn it on, give it 4 seconds to adjust and find level. It needs to be motion-free, so if it's bouncing around, it's not going to like that at all. It needs to be stationary for at least 4 seconds to calibrate. It's level. Here's a handy tip. Use the horizontal line to indicate level, and use the vertical line to indicate where your studs are. A lot of folks, when they're mounting a TV, will line it up with the plate. Why not just use the screw holes? Put the laser in the center of your screw holes and punch your holes. I want to continue on my French cleat wall to the wall that has the windows on it, and I really don't want to move my scrap wood pile. And so the Bosch GLL 30 allows me to cast a line on both walls. I just line the laser with the bottom of the cleat on this wall and follow it around to the window side. The GLL 30 self-leveling cross-line laser from Bosch. Very impressive. For more DIY tips and instructions in 2 to 4 minutes, click the subscribe button.